Welcome to the AI Toolkit Online. Now, in this session, we'll show you how to use the AI Article Wizard. It's the perfect tool for creating comprehensive, high-quality articles in minutes. This is one of the coolest features of the AI Toolkit, in my opinion. So here's how to get started. Log into your dashboard, select the AI Article Wizard from the menu, and this tool simplifies the process of drafting detailed articles step by step. So start by entering your article topic. Now, in this case, let's do the benefits of artificial intelligence in small business. Add relevant keywords, which is reflected here. So when you click this button, it will actually generate some keywords for you. You can select advanced options such as the creativity and so on. So let's go ahead and select automation, analytics, productivity, insights, scalability, etc. Okay, you can put in a title topic if you'd like. I'm going to leave it optional here. I'm going to leave it blank here, and you can see the keywords. There's going to be a number of titles you get to select from, so we'll have it generate 3 titles. And let's take a look at, let's do premium creativity. You can also do it in multiple languages as well, and it will automatically translate into different languages. Let's generate the title. Select which title is good for you. Let's go boosting productivity with automation insights. Now you can now the next step is creating the outline. The outline actually will give structure to your ideas, just saving you some time and effort. Now, once the outline is ready, you click Generate Full Article. So let's go ahead and leave the outline topic blank. We'll have it create 10 subtitles and 3 outlines. As you can see, there are 3 sets of outlines comprising of 10 step-by-step or bullet point items. Let's select one that best fits our needs. We'll go to next. We can, if we want to add an image, we can add an image. Let's say, for example, AI robot. Okay, generate image. It will select it will create 4 images for us, and we can select which image we would like to include in the post. And here's the result of the article. And there you have it. Now, this document has automatically been saved in to the documents folder. You can go in, manipulate it, save it, export it, whatever your needs are. So your work is saved. You can export it and publish it directly to your platform. Now, the AI Article Wizard makes creating high quality articles fast, easy, and efficient. So log in today and let AI Toolkit Online take your content creation to